Oh yeah! Thank you for watching my channel. Today we're gonna cook another pizza. Another pizza. I'm gonna show you how to make purchased pizza at Publix. Even more delicious. Even more delicious. This is freschetta. See, freschetta? Brick oven crust. Very delicious pizza. I've tried, believe me, if you watch my channel, we tried every pizza in the store. From Fighting Tomato, that went out of business, to now freschetta. Oh yeah, this mask, just for fun. So now I'm gonna cook, no mask. Sorry, so with no mask, we're gonna cook this pizza. Thank you for watching. Please keep watching. I'm gonna put this on, and we're gonna cook. See, we have еврейская salami. See, we're gonna cut this salami. Oh yeah. See, this is very delicious salami. It's very good. See, it says authentic beef dry salami еврейская. Еврейская means Jewish in Russian. So see, cut thin because this is very flavorful. Oh yes, so much flavor in this salami. See, I'm gonna cook, gotta cut quick because, you YouTubers, I know you don't have much time. You busy people, and I appreciate you for checking this out. See, thin, because this sausage, salami, beef salami has a lot of flavor. This is very good salami. You can buy Buford Highway Farmers Market in the Russian section, or Euro section, Ukrainian section, and all the other countries around. Oh yeah, so see, my mom, she loves this salami. I'm gonna cut extra pieces. Oh yeah, see, so we got this salami ready. This we're gonna spread out. See, this salami, not as good as this. See the difference? Oh man, oh, crazy. This even, oh, smell better. See now, next thing, probably best, to put on cheese, from my experience. But this is your choice. Wow, this is thick slices. Oh wow. I don't know who cut this. You see this? This is how we like it. Thick slice, see? So now you're gonna spread this cheese. Spread this cheese. You can cut with knife, but I like more kind of like wild Wolverine. This is how we do. Wild, like we came out of the woods just now. Just fingers, break it, but make sure your hands are clean. Always, hygiene first. Safety first. See, we keep doing this. Very nice. Oh yeah, thank you for watching. See, this is you watching cooking channel. We also do many other videos. Please check it out, Don't be scared to subscribe, All our videos are PG. Everything you can watch. Family friendly. Oh yeah. See? Cooking pizza today. I don't have too many pizza videos, maybe about 20. But it's okay. It's okay. See, very cool. I think it's looking very nice and delicious. And I'm breaking this small because you saw this was thick cut. Thick cut cheese. And this is Haverty cheese. I'm gonna do one more of the thick cut. A little bit more now, because I appreciate your time. See? See, and let me know, kind of if you know better recipes, what you like on pizza. I can try next time. Whatever you like, we make a pizza your way. Oh, yeah? Like that, a little bit less, a little bit left. Oh, yeah. So fresh, so clean. Oh, yeah, so now, see, we put on cheese. So now it's pepperoni time. See, pepperoni time. Like that. Like this. Like this, like that, like this. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, I think very cute. Very, very nice. So now, check this out. Oh. This is banana peppers. See, banana peppers. See, this is one thing, you don't want too much water on the pizza. Too much, liquid. So this liquid, I squeeze it out. See? Because it's marinated. I squeeze it out and then we come back to the pizza and put it on. Not too much. This gives a lot of flavor to the pizza, like it more delicious, kind of juicy. Juicy. These banana peppers are very juicy. A lot of flavor. Oh yeah. Now we're gonna go with olives. Olives. A few pounds of olives. Oh yeah, check this out. See, like this? This is simple, simple. But I bought this, I bought this pizza at Publix. But now it's gonna be more delicious. Now it's ready for the oven. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Ready for the oven, see? Oh yeah, we're approaching the oven. This is when you complete the mission, almost. See, you put it in, and I put right on the stove, nothing. I don't put this in any pans, because like this, your pizza is gonna be super crispy. Super crispy, like the crust is gonna be very delicious this way. I love it like this more, I've tried it in pans, but some people like pans, it's okay. But to me, brick oven crust, and right on the, in the oven on these things, not in any pans. Right in like that. Let's close it up. You see right now, temperature is on 377, and it's ready for cooking. Ready for cooking, and I think very good looking. But you let me know in the comments. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate you watching my channel. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, peace. Thank you. God bless you. Bye-bye.